In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Scotia Bank to another bank. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I want to present an extremely easy method of transferring money from Scotia Bank to any other bank that you have. For this method, I recommend that you use Interac eTransfer. There are plenty of ways to send money from Scotiabank to another bank, but Interac eTransfer is going to be by far the easiest one. So you can do this process on the online banking section if you go over to their website or through the latest version of their mobile app. By opening the application, if you would like to follow along, you can select Move Money at the bottom, and you will find all of the main ways in which you can move money. So they present three options: transfer between accounts, Interac eTransfer, and deposit a check. Like I mentioned for this video, I recommend that you use Interac eTransfer. For Interac eTransfer, when you tap it, you will be redirected to another page where you can choose between sending, requesting, or manage payments. Now, in the send window, just choose from which origin account you are going to be sending the funds from, and then the destination account. It's as simple as choosing any contact that you see on your list. If you have to enter a new recipient's details, just go ahead and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Choose the transfer type, so auto deposit or request, and confirm the transfer by including the amount. Once you go through with the transfer, it is going to be pending, and the person should receive the money shortly. They will get a notification, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many recipients as you have. Interac eTransfer makes this process extremely convenient because you can transfer money between different banks, and all that you have to do is include the recipient's email address or phone number. Of course, you can opt for other options such as transferring funds and using the bank and account details, but this process can take a bit longer, and it is going to be more hassle than a simple Interac eTransfer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Scotiabank to another bank. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.